So yesterday I went to not the quarry, but a place where they kind of like a staging area for selling flagstone, bluestone, flagstone, multicolor, and so on and so forth. And I ended up picking up 1.5 inch thick thermal. And the reason I did that, typically that's more expensive than the natural cleft, which I do really like the natural cleft. But in this case, these thermal are kind of, they're not as desired because they have unique characteristics like brown areas, black areas, which I think are really cool. And I didn't pick this one up yesterday, but there's one here that has like a, oh, you see it now, like a band. Yeah, maybe that one right there, of like iron oxide going across it. Really cool, like a wave of it. So I ended up getting these at a much better price, and for myself, I need to keep the budget down. So I got ones like this. You know, for a sidewalk, they're going to look awesome. They really are. And they're cut so they're consistently 1.5 inches. You don't get the variation. With natural cleft means they're splitting it. So the vein you could get one that goes from 1.5 inches to 2 inches. Now these are natural cleft, but these are not going to be used for the sidewalk, I don't think. At least not the public sidewalk, maybe interior. But I think I'll use them for something else because these were kind of total rejects. Another place, but it shows you how you have the split line, that's how you split it. But on this side it's thicker, on that side it's thinner, so you don't get as much control. But it still gives you that cool look. Actually, here's some natural cleft over here. So you kind of get this going on. You get this like areas a little deeper, not much, just a little bit. I was told 2 thicknesses of a quarter is what they consider standard acceptability. Probably like 2/16, something like that. So anyways, when I got unloading, I realized it was a mess here. So I ended up taking a lot of time, quite a bit of time, and just cleaning up the area. And it looks much better now. So the other thing I do is I put the best face up, and I like to stack them, alternate them a little bit. That way when I go to grab them, I got 2 corners to grab onto and I can tilt them up. Plus, this way I can tap the edges and just take a little bit of that edge off to give it a little bit of a bevel, slight bevel, not a lot. At first I thought I needed it quite a bit, but you really don't need much to really make a little difference. So tapping it with a hammer does it. And just much more organized, trying to get them straight. And looking much better now. Okay, so we'll be doing some sidewalk pretty soon, I think. But for right now, I need to do some more on that roof up there, some slate. So we'll go up there and I'll show you what I've been doing there.